Hi, so we are now on questions 4 and 5 of mass, moles, and molecules practice questions. I'm going to get right to that. So what I already started doing here is says you have 3 moles of C6H12O6. How many molecules of C6H12O6 do you have? So the first thing you're going to do is recognize we're talking about molecules. So we're talking about molecules of the entire substance. Okay, so when we're dealing with this, you're going to do 2 steps, and it's very straightforward. You're going to take 3 moles, which I've already done. So we have 3 moles. And you're going to take, write it here, 3 of 3. What you're going to do next is multiply this 3 by Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And then just multiply it and put it in your calculator. So, to do this, here's my calculator. It's going to be 6.02. Oh, no, go back. 3 times 6.02 times 10. And to put in the exponents, which is the to the 23rd thing, I'm going to hit this little caret button. Let me see if you can see. This guy right here, this little caret. You're going to hit caret. And you're going to just type 23. So it's going to look like this. Hopefully you can see this. Maybe you can't. Okay, hit enter, and you're going to get a value of 1.81, I rounded, times 10 to the 24. And that's what my answer for that one is. 1.81 to the power, times 10 to the 24th power. Okay. That is number 4. That's it. So you just took 3 moles, which is what you have, multiply by Avogadro's number, get an answer. That's it. For number 5, it's a little bit more steps. It's 1 extra step, though. It's just like a little more, but you have to remember to do it, or else you'll get the wrong answer. So what you have to do is do the same thing, 3 moles times the same exact big number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Okay? And then you stop and you remember what you're supposed to do. So it says you have 3 moles of C6H12O6. How many atoms of H? So the key word here is that we're dealing with atoms of one element in the whole substance. So we're dealing with this guy right here. How many H's are in that substance? 12. So therefore, you have to multiply this entire thing, this guy right here, by 12. So multiply it by 12. And then you just put it in your calculator, and then you're straight away done. So you can do that. It's going to go that there. Going to do 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd times 12. And you should get this number. If you can't read it, I'm going to write it. It should be 2.16 or 17. If you're 1 off, it won't be that big of a deal. Times 10 to the 25th. And that is your answer. So this is your answer to number 5. That's all I had for these example questions, I believe. Yep. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. We did go over how to find molar mass, how to convert from moles to grams and grams to moles. And lastly, we went over how to find out how many molecules and atoms there are of a substance given how many moles we have. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And I am going to go over one more thing in the next video, which covers how to figure out how many molecules and atoms there are if you're giving grams, not moles, grams. So that's it.